Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale on a Mac. Many Mac users want to enjoy this popular mobile game. Since Clash Royale is designed for Android and iOS, you will need an Android emulator. BlueStacks is a fantastic option that creates a virtual Android environment on your computer. Before starting, make sure your Mac has at least 4 GB of RAM and sufficient storage space for smooth performance. First, navigate to the official BlueStacks website using your web browser. Locate and download the installer file for Mac OS. Once the download is complete, open the file and carefully follow all the on-screen instructions. You might need to grant certain system permissions during this process, which is normal for emulators. This step ensures BlueStacks can properly integrate with your Mac's operating system. After BlueStacks is successfully installed, launch the application. You will be prompted to sign in with your Google account, which is essential for accessing the Google Play Store. Once signed in, open the Play Store within BlueStacks. Use the search bar to find Clash Royale and then proceed to install it. The installation process is identical to how you would install an app on an Android phone or tablet. To enhance your Clash Royale experience, explore BlueStacks settings. You can often adjust performance options, like allocating more CPU cores or RAM for smoother gameplay. Also, customize keyboard controls to map game actions to specific keys, giving you precise command over your troops. Finally, always ensure you have a strong, stable internet connection to avoid lag during intense 2 versus 2 battles or ladder pushes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.